Hey Monish, here are some curated watches from the Victorinox Maverick collection as asked by you. These premium watches are a must-have and an absolute favorite of all watch lovers. So let's dive in. First up, the Victorinox Maverick round black watch for men. This classy watch has a triple-coated anti-reflective sapphire glass crystal and analog dial. With quartz movement, 3-hand functionality and 100-meter water resistance, this timepiece is a versatile match. Its special features include a stopwatch, tachymeter and calendar that adds to its functionality and reliability. Next is the Victorinox Maverick Blue Watch for women. This analog watch is a must-have timekeeper that features a sapphire glass, stainless steel case, 100-meter water resistance and 3-hand functionality. This casual watch comes with a matching rubber strap that complements the blue accent on the round dial. Moreover, it has a unidirectional rotating bezel and quartz movement. Last, we have the Victorinox Maverick round green watch for men. This watch is a perfect blend of elegance and function and features Swiss-made quartz movement, stainless steel case and triple-coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal. This watch has a date, hour, minute and second functionality along with 100-meter water resistance.